week I've been testing the new Toyota Kluger Hybrid, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is I can fit 3 insecure child seats across this second row. I've got 2 Attain More forward and rear facing and an Aspire More booster as well. And access to that third row is really good in here. With all 3 child seats installed, I can bring the second row seats forward with a good amount of space to get through to the third row. Number 2 is there are built-in window blinds in this model of the Kluger for the second row seats, which is fantastic for keeping those little passengers shielded from the sun while you're driving. Also, there are aircon vents in the ceiling for both rear rows of seats, which is fantastic for keeping those rear passengers cool as well. Now, number 3 is the fact that this Kluger is available as a hybrid. It makes it much more affordable for families when it comes to fuel. Also, you've got all the benefits of it being a hybrid, so you can drive your kids to sleep without churning through your fuel. Also, you can sit with the aircon running when they are asleep, and it's a nice quiet start too. We've really enjoyed our week with the new Kluger with our family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.